Hi everyone, I am Abdul from AM Graphix. Today in this video, I will show you how to put a picture on a billboard in Photoshop. So let's get started. First, copy image that you want to place on billboard. Press Ctrl A to select and press Ctrl C to copy. Now go back to the original file and don't worry, it's temporary, save in Photoshop memory. So now create a new layer and go to filter, vanishing points, and with zoom tool, and now pick up plane tool and add perspective points to the billboard edges. Now after make a perspective points, press Ctrl V to paste the design and now press Ctrl T to transform and hit OK. Now change that blend mode to multiply and go to blending options and drag the slider by holding Alt and drag with click and move to the left side and hit OK. Now add a layer mask and brush with black to remove the part and see how we can easily put a picture on a billboard. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you found this trick helpful.